Indices. We use index notation to show the repeated multiplication of a number. So we can write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 as 3 to the power of 5, as we are multiplying 5 threes together. We would call 3 the base and 5 the index. Let's have a go at some example questions. Question A. Here we have both numbers and letters multiplied together, so we can simplify them separately. Therefore, we would have 2 to the power of 3 times y to the power of 2. This can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 y to the power of 2 without the multiplication sign between them. Now for question B. Again, let's simplify the two different letters separately. So we have b to the power of 2 minus c to the power of 3. This is now in its simplest form. Moving on to question C. Write 1 million in index notation with base 10. So let's first write out 1 million as a number. So we have 1 followed by 6 zeros. So let's write 1 and then a comma, and then 3 zeros, followed by another comma and then another 3 zeros. The commas make the number easier to read but are not essential to write. Okay, so if we have 10 as the base, we need to think what power it is raised to give us 1 million. We know 10 to the power of 2 is 100, and so raising to the power of 2 means there are 2 zeros. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, which has 3 zeros. So as 1 million has 6 zeros, we know it is equivalent to 10 to the power of 6. Let's have a go at some more examples on the next slide. Here in question D, we need to simplify the expression we are given. We can see there are 3's, z's, and 1 y in the expression. So let's simplify each of these separately. So we have 3 to the power of 3 times z to the power of 3 times y. We can write this as 3 cubed, z cubed, y. Now for question E. Again, we have multiple letters, so let's simplify them separately. So we have d to the power of 2 minus k to the power of 2 times m. This can be written as d squared minus k squared m. On to the last question now. We know 100,000 can be written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it has 5 zeros. Therefore, it can also be written as 10 to the power of 5. Want to continue learning? Then make sure to click onto the next video in this topic series. But first, if you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Maths Mentorship. Also, leave any questions you have in the comments section below.